Most of the videos I've shot here on the channel have showcased individual properties, a single cabin or a tiny house or a tree house, owned by one host. But actually here now, I have a tiny house and container home village, I guess I would call it. I have 3 tiny houses behind me, then there are actually 5 tiny container homes back behind these guys. So it's actually an assortment of basically 8 different tiny houses. If you saw last week's video, I showcased their tiny shipping container home. In this video, kind of giving a little bit more of an overview of just the whole village, I guess, I'm gonna keep calling it, as a whole, and also just their tiny houses. So do kind of a quick tiny house tour, but definitely kind of a unique twist here. Never really, showcased their property yet that has, a bunch of different accommodations together, in one space. So definitely kind of excited for this one. But if you want to learn more about this entire property, all their different Airbnb listings, I'll link out to their Airbnb info down in the video description as usual. If you want to book any of their 3 tiny houses or any of their tiny container homes or further back there, also be sure to use my affiliate code as well via Airbnb to save some money. If you want to book any of these places or any other tiny house, tree house, container home, anywhere in the world on Airbnb, you'll save money if you use my code. But really pumped to showcase this tiny house and container home village to you guys. So let's hop into a tour of this incredible property in Utah. This tiny village is located out in rural Utah. It's just surrounded by beautiful farm country. There's farm animals and fields and stunning cliffs and ravines. Just like this one, it's located directly beneath this red cliff. Now, right across the way from the 3 tiny houses, you have this lovely fire pit area. It's located right beneath that red cliff, and it's a perfect space just for barbecuing or s'mores, or just hanging out with your friends and family after a long day of hiking in Zion or Bryce Canyon. But you can actually pull over some chairs located right next to your tiny house, or I believe the owners have more seating available. But again, it's located just a very short walk from the tiny houses. In addition to the fire pits, you also have a picnic table and a grill. Next, we will head on over to check out the exterior of the 3 tiny houses. Again, this is located closer to the cliffside and the fire pits with the 5 containers behind them. But I absolutely love the sleek and modern look of the exterior of these tiny houses. I especially love the woodwork and kind of how that overarching roof pops up over the porch. It's especially magical around sunset. This was taken right around 4 or 5 p.m. and the sun just sets perfectly behind the tiny houses. But now I think it's time to check out the beautiful interior of the tiny houses. Welcome to the interior of your tiny house out here in Utah. This is the kind of main chill out and living room space that you'll come into as soon as you enter. You have a nice pull out sofa bed on the right hand side, along with some extra blankets waiting for you behind there on the cushions, and a table right next to it. You have some remotes for air conditioning, your fireplace, and the TV. And then this is the fireplace and your plasma TV set up in the corner. The owners told me that the entire tiny home is about 240 square feet, but this whole space in particular really did not feel cramped to me at all. That it was really well laid out, and also for privacy, you can also just kind of whip back some curtains like this. I also definitely noticed just the sheer amount of windows in this space. There's probably close to a dozen windows total, and it really allowed the natural light to stream in. Next, we will head on over to the kitchen area to check out this space in the corner. That was a very well put together and also a well-stocked kitchen area. A lot of kitchens and tiny houses simply just don't have the space or the ability to stock everything so well. This has a stovetop and a Keurig and some cookies as well, just at the container home. This is a very nice and personal touch. Up top, you have your microwave, and then down below is your sink area, as well as some extra cleaning supplies that the host left behind for you. Down below, you have a refrigerator, and then the 3 drawers on the right side have some extra towels, utensils, pots and pans. And then the bottom drawer has some extra containers you can use to store some food in. Finally, this storage space has some essential cooking supplies like your oils and salt and pepper. Next, we will head back further into the tiny house, starting first with the bathroom. You have your sink and hand towel and mirror in this one corner, and now panning left to right over in this end, you have your toilet, some extra toilet paper, extra towels and linens. In particular, I thought the shower was very large. All other showers I've had in tiny houses I've stayed in usually are stalls, and they're quite small. This is probably about twice the size of any other shower I've had in a tiny house before. When you're using the bathroom for privacy, of course, you can slide the wooden door across this way, so then the hallway will look just like this when we're using the bathroom. Real quick, if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not currently subscribed to the channel. We come out with weekly videos just like this of the best and most unique Airbnbs from all over the world. Now, back to the tour. To finish off our tiny house tour, we're now gonna head into the beautiful bedroom. In the bedroom, what really stuck out to me was all the wood finishing. Everything from the headboard to the window frames all matched the same wood I saw in the exterior of the tiny house. Kind of all comes together to form this really cool modern yet rustic vibe throughout the tiny house. You also have a storage area off to one end, plenty of space to put some suitcases, luggage, hiking boots, anything like that, and some extra linens as well. Finally, this is your bed. It is very spacious, more than enough room for 2 people or for a couple. I also, again, loved all the windows, just all the natural light streaming in from those windows up top towards the ceiling. Thanks so much for checking out my tour of this entire shipping container home in Tiny House Village in Utah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please help me out. Give the video a like, give it a thumbs up. Help us be shown to more people here on YouTube on the platform. And also share this video with a family or a friend via Facebook or Reddit, social media, email, text, whatever it may be, especially if you're a tiny house or shipping container home enthusiast. I highly suggest this place. So maybe someone you know might also be interested in staying here or might enjoy this video. So be sure to share it. Also, if you're watching this, you're still not subscribed, guys, and a lot of you watching this are not subscribed. I'm talking to you again. I come with weekly videos just like this, just the best and most unique Airbnbs, accommodations, hotels from all over the world. I've been basically traveling the United States, the whole country, non-stop these past few weeks, shooting just constantly for you guys. I have so many more exciting videos, content, places, Airbnbs coming out in the coming weeks and months. So be sure to subscribe to not miss out on a single video. And last but not least, I'll link up top. This is kind of my latest playlist, my best and most unique Airbnbs, just kind of favorite videos I've shot so far here on the channel. So if you enjoyed this video, I have plenty others just like it. So be sure to watch some of my videos. I really appreciate the support. So thanks so much for checking out all my tours, all my videos, guys. I generally appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next episode.